A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today we are going to start with the verbs expressing the future. Let me introduce you to future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Children, future perfect and future perfect continuous tenses are not that much useful and are used less and very rare. But because they are part of tenses, we must know how to use them. Let us introduce you first to future perfect tense. The future perfect tense refers to a completed action in the future. When we use this tense, we are projecting ourselves forward into the future and looking back at an action that will be completed sometime later than now. It is most often used with a time expression. So, whenever we talk about future perfect tense, it is used to talk about those actions that will be completed by a certain future time. Future perfect refers to an action that will be completed in the future either before a specific moment or before another action takes place. Now, let us look into the rules. Subject plus will have plus the third form of verb plus the object. So the activity will start, it will continue and then it will end. The examples are: child will have been playing, children will have been playing. Now let us look into the format if the sentence is in future perfect tense. So if it is a positive sentence, it will be subject plus will plus have plus past participle plus the object. So example is, he will have done it by this evening. If it is a negative sentence, subject plus will plus not plus have plus past participle plus the object. He will not have done it by this evening. If it is an interrogative sentence, will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus the object. Will he have done it by this evening? Now, let us look into some sentences to make it more clear. Positive sentences: by next week we will have earned lots of money. Here, will have earned is your future tense format. Will plus have plus the past participle form of verb. Let us look into other sentences. I will have prepared breakfast by the time the children wake up. The rain will have stopped by tomorrow. They won't have been married by next year. By that time, I will have finished my homework. Let us look into negative sentences. He will not have received enough score by the summer. Here the format is will plus not plus have plus the past participle form of verb. Here you have put will not have received. Let us look into other sentences. They will not have been married by next year. The rain will not have stopped by tomorrow. My mother will not have prepared breakfast by the time my father and brother wake up. Let us look into interrogative sentences or question sentences. Will he have finished his work by 5 o'clock? Here the format is will plus subject plus have plus the past participle plus the object. So you have put we will before he have finished his work by 5 o'clock. Let us look into other sentences. Will they have sent an email until tomorrow? Will people's lives have changed by 10 years? Will we have arrived in China by the next week? Will the concert have started by 20 minutes? So let us look into, if an exercise is given to you, how you will be putting in the future perfect tense format. If we don't hurry the meeting, in brackets if to start is given, by the time we get there you will have to write will have started. By the end of this month I will have spent all my salary. Now let us look into future perfect continuous tense. So the future perfect continuous tense is used to indicate a continuing action that will be completed at some specified time in the future. Let us look at some examples. I shall have been playing, he will have been playing, she will have been playing. What are we doing here? We use this tense to talk about an ongoing action. That means an action that will be in progress in the future, and also to mention the duration or length of that action at a particular time. Let us understand it with some examples. How do you make future perfect tense? You use will have been plus the ing form of verb. When do we use future perfect continuous tense? An action that will have started, will have continued for some time, and will still be in progress in the future, either before a specific moment. For example, they will have been flying to London for 4 hours by this time tomorrow. Or before another action takes place, we will have been cleaning the house all day by the time she returns. Let us look into the rule for or the format for converting a sentence to future perfect continuous tense. You use the subject plus will have been plus the ing form of verb plus the object. Let us look into if we have to convert the sentences, whether it is a positive sentence, a negative sentence, or an interrogative sentence, what will be the format? It will be subject plus will plus have plus been plus the ing form of verb, and then you put the object. For example, if it is a positive sentence, I will have been eating vegetables for 3 months. Now let us look into a negative sentence. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus the ing form of verb, and then you put the object. For example, I won't have been eating vegetables for 3 months. If it is an interrogative sentence, you put will plus the subject plus have been plus the ing form of verb, and then you put the object. Will you have been eating vegetables for 3 months? Let us clear it through some examples. If it is a positive sentence, we will have been waiting, she will have been watching TV, you will have been flying, they will have been working, I will have been traveling, we will have been driving, she will have been learning it, I will have been living here. If it is a negative sentence, we won't have been waiting, she won't have been watching TV, you won't have been flying, they won't have been working, I won't have been traveling, we won't have been driving, she won't have been learning it, I won't have been living here. So you can see in all the sentences the format has been followed. Will have been plus the ing form of verb. Now let us look into the interrogative or the question sentences. Will be we have been waiting, will she have been watching TV, will you have been flying, will they have been working, will I have been traveling, will we have been driving, will she have been learning it, will I have been living here. So these are some of the sentences which can be taken as examples for positive, negative and interrogative sentences. Now let us look into some examples if it is given as an exercise to you. Complete the following sentences with the proper form of the future perfect continuous tense. They will be exhausted by dinner. They, if it is given in brackets to play, you will be writing they will have been playing for 7 hours. The films run all night. We will have been watching movies for 6 hours by the time the feature comes on. Now, let us compare future continuous and future perfect continuous tense. He will be tired because he will be exercising so hard. This sentence emphasizes that he will be tired because he will be exercising at that exact moment in the future. If we are writing it in future perfect continuous tense, he will be tired because he will have been exercising so hard. In this sentence, the emphasis that he will be tired because he will have been exercising for a period of time. It is possible that he will still be exercising at that moment, or that he will just have finished. Let us make it more clear by going through some of the examples. Future perfect tense or future perfect continuous tense. By 2018, we will have been living in Madrid for 20 years. In this sentence, we have an action in the future that will have started and will have continued for some time before the end of the year. So you are writing it in future perfect continuous tense. Let us look into the second sentence. He will have written a book by the end of the year. So here the action is completed before specific time in the future, so we use the future perfect tense. The next sentence is also future perfect tense. Will you have finished this novel by next week? Next sentence, he will have been reading this book for 15 days by the end of this week. Here we have an action in the future that will have started and will have continued for some time before the end. So it is in future perfect continuous tense. They will have been married for 40 years by the end of this month. This action is completed before specific time in the future, so it is in future perfect tense. Will she have been pregnant for 3 months this week? Again, this sentence is in future perfect tense because the action is completed before specific time in the future. When will you send this message? We will have delivered it by Friday. It is in future perfect tense. How long does it take you to rewrite such a report? Tomorrow. I will have been working on it for 3 days and I will have finished it by 6 p.m. Here, future perfect continuous tense and future perfect tense both have been used. So, with this, we come to the end of the session. I hope that you all have understood it. If you have not understood it, again thoroughly go through the video and try to understand it. We will be doing the exercise in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.